Bring him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today we have for you the drawing for my 100 subscriber celebration. Had a little bit of a snafu when I first started recording this, so I had to back up and start again. Apparently, since people put in Diecast Pirate Rocks in different forms, it wasn't counting everybody, so I had to leave that out. So we've got the URL put in, filter duplicate users, and we're going to include replies to comments because I believe one person did put Diecast. Well, we're going to leave that out. Okay. I was going to click that if we used the specific text, but since we're not, we'll click to get comments again. Shows you amount of unique comments is 24. And so we're going to start at the bottom and work our way up. We're going to start with prize number 10, and we're going to work our way up to number 1. Now, prizes 1 through 10, only one person can get one of those prizes. When we get to the bonus prize, which will be the last thing, is sort of the gag gift sort of thing, that can go to anybody. So if you already won a prize, you might win that too. So stick around till the end. All right. Let's pick the first winner for prize number 10, which is the Hot Wheels 69 Charger and the Matchbox Ford Capri. DT99 Race. Alright. Let's get this advertisement off the screen here. Let's pick another winner for prize number 9. Now, prize number 9 is a Matchbox 5-pack, Matchbox Wild. Robin! Alright. Now, you guys can send me an email to diecastpirate@gmail.com and give me your contact information so I can get these prizes out to you. Let's go on for prize number 8, which is the Matchbox 5-pack, Matchbox Highway, Old Man Diecast. And on to prize number 7, which is the Matchbox 5-pack, Coffee Cruisers 2, Mike's Mods and Customs. Alright, Mike. Congratulations. Now on to prize number 6, which is the Matchbox Moving Parts 36 Ford in the Renault. Danny's Diecast Disasters. That's pretty awesome, Danny. Glad you got that. Alright, let's go on to the prize number 5, which is the Matchbox Crown Vic with the moving parts. And DT99 Race already won a prize, so we'll have to roll again. And DT99 Race keeps coming up. Let's see if we can get somebody else for this prize, because he already won one. Jay! Alright, Jay. Just get these written down as we go along here. So prize number 4, which is the Matchbox 36 Ford with the moving parts, Red Room Diecast. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Glad you got that, Bog. And then on to prize number 2. Actually, this is prize number 3, so I need to change this very quickly because I wrote Boggs information down too far. And Matchbox Mark, you get, sir, the last of the V8 interceptors. Which is prize number 3. And then on to prize number 2, which is the old Blackwall lot. Opa! Oh, that's pretty awesome. I know you're going to love those, Opa. And then for the grand prize, the 71 Porsche 911, I painted in Aqua Spectra Flame with SoMo chrome wheels on it, goes to Sam's Scaled Models. And on to the bonus prize. So this can be anybody. If you already won a prize, you could win this too. Let's see who gets it. Rice 04. Alright, so that's all of that. Again, send me an email with your contact information if you're a winner at diecastpirate@gmail.com. And include your channel name and your address and everything, and I will get these out to you as soon as I can. Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate all the support you've been giving me. We'll make this short and sweet. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time. I should add, please send your emails within 72 hours. If I don't hear back from you, I will re-roll for the prizes that are not claimed. Thank you.